Hello Year 2 and welcome to Tuesday's Science lesson. So last week you might remember we looked at habitats and the different environments different animals need. Today we are looking at the life cycles. So what is a life cycle? That is today's question. So before we look at the whole cycle, what I'd like us to have a go at now is looking at what the animal starts out as and guessing what it finishes as. Often there's lots of in-between stages. But so we've got something here on a leaf, which is a bit of a clue. What do you think these little eggs may become? The eggs become ladybirds. So how about this caterpillar here? What do you think this caterpillar may become? Now sometimes they can become butterflies, but in this case this one becomes a moth. How about this animal here? Now if I told you, I'd give away what it grows into. What do you think it might be? It is in fact a cheetah. So there we've got a baby cheetah that's just been born. And what do you think a penguin may have started as? Do you know how penguins start life? They start off in eggs, so they hatch out of eggs to be born. And here we've got an alligator. How do you think an alligator starts off its life? It is in fact from eggs. You can see a little alligator there hatching out of its egg. And the eggs would be found in the ground like this. And a horse. How do you think a horse would start off its life? And we have baby horses, which are called a foal. And here we have some stink bugs. So this is what they grow to be. This one on the right, this picture here, is a final stink bug. This is after they are newly born or newly come to life. So what do you think they may start out as? That's right, they start out as eggs. These are strange looking eggs, but they are in fact the eggs that stink bugs grow out of. So here we've got some different life cycles. Now you notice that each of these life cycles goes round in a circle. This is to show us that even once the life cycle has ended, another one begins. So here is the life cycle of a bean plant. So we've got the seed. Number one shows us a seed. Now a seed will grow roots down into the ground, and then up out of the ground it will begin to grow some leaves. Those leaves will then help the flowers to start growing, and once that's happened, the plant will then give out more seeds. So then that puts us back to number one and starts the circle or the cycle all over again. And with a ladybug or ladybird, starts off as eggs. Those eggs will grow into larvae, so larvae hatch out of the eggs. And then the larva grows into the pupa, and then eventually the pupa grows into the adult ladybird. And that adult ladybird will then lay eggs, which then starts off the whole cycle again. And here we have the life cycle of a penguin. So a penguin starts out as an egg, and it's often kept warm by the adult penguins. The egg will then hatch, and out will come a chick. This chick will then grow to be a young penguin. And this young penguin will then grow to be an adult penguin, and those adult penguins will hatch eggs, which then brings us right back to the beginning and starts that cycle again. So you have two options today for the activity that you could do. Now you could print out this penguin life cycle, cut it out and then pin it together so that it spins round and reveals what is happening in each month. So for example, it would show you July in this area here, and it would show you that in July the eggs are hatching, so in this area. So it will spin around and show you the life cycle of a penguin. So you could do that. Or you could find a creature either outside in your garden or on a walk that you go on, and then you could research its life cycle, and it's up to you how you show that. You could either show it with pictures that you've taken, or you could make a poster about it. Try and have a go at maybe making the life cycle in a circle, just like we've seen with those other ones. So it's up to you how you show that, but have a go at either printing out the penguin life cycle or finding your own one to research about. Okay.